Hello, my name is Marta. I am responsible for building the KARISTUS private website. The site, even though complex, it's simple to navigate. At this point, we are all still testing different tools and ways of operating it. You have seen, and I will show it to you again, a photo of one of our templates. This might still change. When the website is ready, I'm sure you will like it. The ones who will be allowed in, of course, the first time you log in, you will watch a video with Tara on camera, explaining you better all the details, including how to upload your own videos, photos and links. All those need to be approved by us before being published. Also, the first time you log in, you will need 4 different passwords. These will be sent to you not via Gmail, but via a phone call. Furthermore, 2 of those passwords will change every week. It also has another degree of security. A visual one based on the identification you have sent to us, but Tara will explain this to you in due time. Be safe, everyone.
In 2018, a satellite image captured what appeared to be a condensed water trail from an aircraft, or contrail, that could only have been produced by something traveling at incredibly high speeds.
It extended the entire length of the Earth, longitudinally from the North Pole to the South Pole, which is 12,000 miles.
The maximum length of time that a contrail can maintain its shape is 30 minutes, but most dissipate in less than 15. Only a craft capable of traveling faster than 50,000 miles per hour, or 10 times the speed of the fastest aircraft in existence today, could leave a contrail that would stretch the entire length of the Earth without breaking up.
It's a seeming impossibility because it meant that some object was able to traverse the entire planet from pole to pole in a matter of minutes before the contrail disappeared.
Contrails, chemtrails, those you already know about it. But how about AKIRA trails? There's all kinds of trails up there. People confuse often contrails with chemtrails, with, let's call it, alien trails. In the case of KARISTUS, we have many different kinds of trails, and you see them every day almost. Depends where you're living. In our cars right now, just cars, automobiles. Some work with gasoline, others with diesel, others with propane, others with electricity, and there's other ways. Same thing with the ships. Some with gasoline, some with diesel, some with electricity, some with propane. Let's call them those things. They just have different names, and they're different altogether. Today I'm going to show you the AKIRA fuel rods. This is how about, I don't know, 75% of the KARISTUS ships use to travel. The fuel, we call it AKIRA. You call it something else. It can be mined in many different places on Earth. There's plenty of it, and the KARISTUS have plenty of mines on Earth to get this so-called AKIRA. I'm not gonna tell you what it is exactly today, but you know the name.
Whatever created that was going beyond Mach 10. Mach 10 is over 8,000 miles per hour. This was probably going much, much faster than that. So whatever it was something that more than likely we've never seen before. So the next time you see a trail in the sky, maybe it's not a chemtrail or a contrail. Maybe it is a AKIRA trail. How it works? Well, let me show. This comes after being mined. After being mined, it's transformed into a block. It have to be round to get into, let's call it, the engine of the KARISTUS ship. But when they're mined, they come just like those blocks of gold, and then they go another process through another process, and they become a round, a cylinder. Once they're cylindric, then they are shipped to our nests around the world, around the planet Earth, and then they go here inside, let's call it, the KARISTUS ship engine. Let me take you inside the KARISTUS ship. We're gonna see today one KARISTUS ship, just a little bit. The rest you can see on the website. Now some of you may ask, how much is one of these rods worth? And how long can a KARISTUS ship run with one of these rods? Well, due to the precious metals in it, one of these rods is worth about 3 million current dollars, $3 million, one of these rods. How long can a KARISTUS ship run on one of these rods? Depends on the KARISTUS ship, you know. Just like a car, depends. On average, one of these rods to a mid-sized ship, about 3 years. One of these rods can run a KARISTUS ship, mid-sized ship, for about 3 years. So now you know.
The maximum length of time that a contrail can maintain its shape is 30 minutes, but most dissipate in less than 15. Only a craft capable of traveling faster than 50,000 miles per hour, or 10 times the speed of the fastest aircraft in existence today, could leave a contrail that would stretch the entire length of the Earth without breaking up.
People often ask me what I think about Azazel as a man. Well, to be honest, this depends on your definition of the word man. Well, I think the way I see him, and I have known him for about 12 years, I think he's not a man. He's a heavenly machine, perhaps.